Okay, 6b. So 6b says, here's my formula for h. Find h prime when the x value is 1. So my first task is to find the derivative of h, which will require the quotient rule. So I did that right here. I take the bottom and multiply by the derivative of the top, minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. Just be a little bit careful. If they had given something like this, they said h of x is equal to g of 2x divided by, say, h of 3x. If I were to find the derivative, let's get rid of that. If I were to find h prime in this case, oh, that's not h, that should be enough, sorry. So back up a little more. So if this were over f of 3x, h prime would end up being the bottom. Now the derivative of g of 2x is g prime of 2x multiplied by the derivative of the 2x, like that. So just watch out for a possible more difficult problem like that. If you kept going, you'd have, you'd take the top now, g of 2x, and then the derivative of the bottom would be f prime of 2x multiplied by the derivative of the 2x, which is, sorry, that's a 3. It should be a 3 like that. And then all of that would have to be divided by the bottom squared, which would be f of 3x all squared. So just a little extra, watch out for something like that in the future. We don't need that on this problem. So if you do the quotient rule, you get 2 points. I don't think they'll give you partial credit unless you get the quotient rule right. So it's 2 or nothing. And then if you don't get this right, you can't get the 3rd point. But if you get this right, then all you have to do is plug in the x equal 1 for all of the x's. You can't stop there, though, because you've got to resolve these function notation by looking at the table. So you just do all the table lookups. That gets you the green box. You can stop at the green box. You don't have to keep going. Don't have to get the negative 3/2 over here. That's 3 total points.